What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and today we're going to be taking a look at two products, the Amazon Fire HD 8 and the Fire HD 8 Show. Now, why this is, to me, pretty awesome is they also were kind enough to send me out a Amazon Cloud Cam, and since I am familiar with Nest products, and this has Amazon App Store, I'll be able to download the app to view this camera on my tablet, and I'll be able to view it in show mode. And why that's such a big deal to me is I get my daughter on the bus so that I can drive to school and I can see when the bus is coming without being out in the cold or the rain or, I could just see, oh, it's coming down the street, and then I'm downstairs ready for it before it gets to my door. So that's why this show is, to me, going to make this thing used 24/7 as a security monitor. So easily dock and charge the tablet. So this is kind of crazy. You've got a power strip. Unfortunately, it uses micro USB. I don't know why. And then in here we have this is just a holder for it, I guess. Set that to the side. I've never seen this before. I've never watched an unboxing of this. I've never seen this. Amazon reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to check this out. I said yes. So this somehow comes down. That's a very firm, you almost feel like you're going to break something. Like it's not supposed to. That's super firm. That's not going to move at all when docks. Okay, so this just comes down and it holds the dock. So there's only a certain level that it can rest, which is pretty straight up. And then you can give it a pretty good amount of force there, and you can lean it back further or lay it almost flat. So that's pretty cool. And the little charging port, it's going to be right here. Awesome. And then it's got a little holder right there to go through. So it can go back on a table and lay flat like this. Or you could just kind of set it through here or through the little hole. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So it's just a standard power adapter, 5 watts, nothing special. And it's not a wireless connection. It actually has 2 little pins there. So it's going to touch those pins and charge up the tablet. Oh, okay. I was like, so what is this piece for then? Okay. So this is going to hold the tablet in it. It's going to connect to the little charging there. Then the little 2 pins on the back are going to touch the base here. So that's really cool. This is the 16 gig version, so that should be more than enough to put a few Amazon games and, the apps I need on my tablet. So they sent me a blue one. And well, this is cool. A nice, easy way of getting everything out of there all at once. This is instruction booklet. Do more. We have a charging cable, which is micro USB as well. And then we have a little charging thing, which we're not going to even use because honestly, that's what the show is all about. The show is all about using your tablet as a display to view media or have a Skype or a voice video chat with somebody, maybe on Facebook. It's, it's pretty awesome. Oh, that feels solid. Let me go get my other one. I'm not sure where my other Amazon tablet is at the moment, but it's just like a $40, $50 version. It's really, really small. I think it's a 7-inch maybe. This feels a lot better than that one. So let's go ahead and power it on. And while it's powering on, let's take a look at everything else. We've got that micro USB connection for charging. We have a headphone jack, which is pretty cool because, say, I use Discord all the time, nearly every single day, to voice chat with people. I could have my headphones, the ones that came with my phone, plugged in here, and I can have this charging on the dock, and I can talk with people using the Discord app, if it's available through the Amazon App Store. If not, you can just sideload it if it doesn't require Google Play services. And then we have volume up and down, and we have a microphone, and we have a button here, which I'm not sure. Okay, cool. So that is a micro SD card slot, so you could throw an extra 32 gigs, 64 gigs, whatever the max supported is in there, and have more storage. Then you've got some, looks like speaker holes there. And that's about that. But I'm kind of really, the dock is the biggest seller for me in this. So let's go ahead and connect it. All right, and the case has two little, grills here to view that or to hear that audio. Now it's connected in there, so let's go ahead and put it on the dock. Let's go ahead and set it up first, though. Connect to our Google Fiber internet. All right. Checking for software updates, which there probably will be some. Now, this channel used to be about modding and stuff, and I still have my first gen Amazon Fire TV stick that is rooted with a custom ROM installed, which is the latest version. So I have the latest version of Fire OS on it, and it's rooted. But honestly, rooting isn't as important as it used to be back in the day. Obviously, you'd want it for being able to sideload Google Play services and installing the Google Play Store and stuff. But most devices these days are locked down a lot more securely than they ever were before. So it's pretty hard to actually root them or install third-party software or make it do things it wasn't supposed to do. So I'll just go ahead and let it update, have the latest version. I still have my first gen Amazon Fire TV that has a custom bootloader on it. So I can either boot in recovery or boot into Fire OS, but I haven't used that thing in forever. It's only got 1 gig of RAM, and my NVIDIA Shield's way better than that thing anyway. But, whoa. This Fire TV is registered to Josh. Okay. Yes, that's me. Save Wi-Fi password to Amazon. So autosave. Sure, why not? No, not now. Connect to a Twitter account. I'll do that later. And I'll do that later. And no thanks for that. I kind of want to just get to the meat. So get apps. So Candy Crush, HBO, Crossy Road. That's a game my daughter loves. ES File Explorer, Solitaire, definitely. Hill Climb Racing, VLC for Fire. Didn't know they had VLC for Amazon Fire. That's pretty awesome. And Minecraft, I guess. And Netflix. Yeah, let's continue. Download. Introducing show mode. Your update is complete. Your tablet now supports... Okay, so it didn't support it until I updated it. Let's go ahead and play this. All right, so that was a little briefing, which is pretty cool. Apparently you can just tell it to do it. So we're going to line up the dock here and put it on. Alexa, enable show mode. That's pretty cool. And it shows me the temperature, which it's snowing. It's a miserable day. It's definitely a good day to make a video. And then we have a message. We can see Mario, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I saw that. They play N64 every day to decide. It just read out loud. I got a text message. So I am still very, very new to this. I'm not sure what all commands I can shout at it. I'm not sure what all it can do. Honestly, I will be playing with this, and I will try to follow this up with another video if I feel there needs to be one, or if you guys request one a lot in the comments below. So as of right now, it's really, really awesome that I can have this thing, and I can tilt it up, and I can view my cloud camera on my Fire TV. Let's actually do that now. All right, so we went ahead and set it all up. Oh, getting that terrible feedback from the microphone being so close to the speaker on there, but there we go. So now I can see my camera, and if I hold the tablet sideways, it goes full screen, which is what I want. Like, point this outside, and it's like, hey, the bus is coming. Let's go outside. This is pretty much mostly what it's gonna be doing. It's sitting in this dock right here and showing me the camera. And then when I want to play games or something on it, I can do that too. Or if I want to use it as a tablet and do things that I can't do on my smaller screen phone, I can do it on here as well. And now you can see how much snow we're getting. It's a cold, snowy day. This is mostly about the tablet and the show, but this little camera is great, and you get 24 hours for free. You pay if you want more than that, which is fine. I don't need it to do more than that, so that's awesome. This wasn't really like a review or anything of the actual tablet. So far, it seems responsive and it feels a lot better than the little one that I currently have. And things load a lot. I've loaded the App Store to download the CloudCam app to use the service, and everything seems to be working pretty good. Like I have no complaints. Everything feels snappy, and now I can go to the cloud. Okay, let's just search for it. Maybe it's not in alphabetical order. CloudCam. My stuff. Amazon CloudCam. And when I open it up, and I could always ask Miss Alexa to show me my CloudCam as well if I needed to do that. And now I can see my camera. So I'm turning my brightness up. And there we go. You can monitor your kids sleeping in their bed. You can, use this for anything you need to. So there's the the camera on the back. That's not going to do anything because it's currently sitting on a table. And then if you press this and you switch it, you can... My oven best. Let's turn it this way. Let's get myself off of camera. There we go. So now we can view that camera as well. We can record a video. And it's awesome because it's sitting on a little dock and you can use your hands to show something to somebody else and make a video. So this is just awesome. This is awesome. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. This is What Would Josh Do? And I'm out.